Okay, so did you remember that the next video that I just made a mini book? So now I can show you how to make a boat. Here's what to do. So you need to grab a piece of paper like this, see? And you fold it like this. Okay, then fold it again, but the opposite way. Do it 3 times. Okay? Do it 3 times. Like this, see? Can you see it? This is small. So open again. And then make little triangles, or big, I don't know. Make 2 triangles, like you're making, a paper airplane. I don't even want to know. Like this, see? And then you're gonna get this, put it back here. Okay, like this, see? And then we're gonna to do this in both sides. And then we're gonna do like this. It doesn't matter. And then just fold this. Make sure all 2 triangles are in here. Well, in the next video, I'm going to show you how to make dress. Like paper dress, paper shirt. Like this, see? And then you're going to open this. And close that. Make sure it is flat. Okay. So this, like this. Like this, see? Then we're gonna fold this. Make sure it's at the top. Okay, like this, see? Don't forget to straighten them up, okay? Don't forget to straighten them up. Then do the other side. Next, just do the same thing. Do the same thing like the big one. Like the big one I just did. Like this, see? And then I'm gonna do like this. Just see, and then you're gonna move it over. You might think it's done, but actually we are not done yet. This looks like when we need this in a restaurant. Make this and then do like this, see? Straighten them out. And voila! Now you got a paper boat. Wait, if you want it to float, you need to stick all tapes. And then you have to write a number because look. I just made a whole bag of them. They all got tapes on the other side and numbers, see? See? Do you see those shiny parts? Yeah, those are the tapes. And I draw numbers on it, so I know how many boats do I get. You just need tape and a marker. Remember, I get this out of the way. Remember, you just need tape and marker and a book. So you can float and the papers are not going to get wet. I tried this before since I was 7 years old. Without tape, without writing a number, I just floated. And then my paper boat sank and it all got wet. So I have an idea to stop getting it wet. You just need to get the tape and wrap it all over, except the top part. If you're worried that the top part is going to get wet, just stick the tape again. And now that's it. Bye!